wanted to thank Lakme Fashion Week and Diamond Producers Association. I think it's just been an incredible initiative, and obviously the platform that they've given to young jewelry designers called The Real Cut. And yeah, I think it was a very interesting collaboration, as you don't normally see fine jewelry, especially such gorgeous jewelry from AS Motiwala, from Aura. You don't tend to hear about fine diamond jewelry paired with resort wear, easy pret wear. So I think it's been so refreshing to even start collaborating on such a cool kind of initiative. So for Kinni and I, we're known for layering, layers upon layers. So we had to kind of a little bit hold back this season, and we really wanted the diamonds to also be showcased and visible. So we kept in mind obviously the jewelry, and our collection is all about North India, South India. We've taken inspiration from the lungi, the traditional Tamil Nadu lungi, and paired it with ikats from Gujarat, Leheria from Rajasthan. And it's really a marriage between two cultures, no borders. And I think even with the inclusivity of the diamonds, it's, that reinforcing that, there's no such thing as only fine jewelry can be paired with gowns and bridal wear. It's a really cool initiative that let's bring diamonds into the forefront in day-to-day resort wear too. So it's been really interesting.
I do feel very young, fresh, and I just love the outfit. I think I'm going to be wearing a lot more of Sakshi and Kinni. They're very talented designers, and I think that's what's great about Lakme, is that it's such a great platform. They were Gen X designers, and they're here today, which it's really credible. I have to say that when I saw their work, I was genuinely excited to be working for them. And thank you to the Diamond Producers Association for giving me this opportunity. And I think with Aura and AS Motiwala Fine Jewelry, they've really nailed it, because I think that the culture of wearing jewelry for your day-to-day life is something that it was really required, because I think we've just been wearing chunky jewelry for weddings, and we need to change that concept, because I think the younger generation is just preferring more fine stuff. So it's great, and just it's all-inclusive is the theme this year, and they've really nailed it with the entire lungi, the South Indian, the Gujarati, the Rajasthani prints. So fab show. Each and every garment was really pretty, and kudos to you all.
मुंबई रफ्तार न्यूज़ की खबरें पसंद आने पर हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें।